First, ensure your home's water pressure is adequate. Low pressure prevents the washer from filling correctly. Ideally, you want pressure above 20 psi. Use a pressure gauge on the supply lines to test. Contact a plumber if pressure is consistently low throughout your home. Next, check the water inlet hoses for kinks or obstructions. Kinked hoses restrict water flow. Straighten any kinks and ensure the hoses aren't crushed. Also, check for any visible damage or wear on the hoses themselves. Replace damaged hoses immediately. Clogged inlet valve screens are a common cause of LF errors in Maytag washers. These screens are located where the water hoses connect to the washer. Turn off the water supply to prevent any water flow. Disconnect the hoses from the washer. Remove the inlet valve screens from the hose ends. Clean the screens thoroughly with vinegar to remove mineral deposits. Reinstall the clean screens and reconnect the hoses. When the inlet valve is faulty, replacement is necessary. This dual valve system controls hot and cold water flow. Follow these steps carefully for safe replacement. First, shut off the water supply valves at the wall or utility box to prevent flooding. Then, unplug the washer or turn off the circuit breaker to avoid electrical hazards. Next, carefully disconnect the hot and cold water hoses from the inlet valve at the back of the washer. Place towels underneath to catch any residual water. Locate and remove any mounting screws or retaining clips securing the inlet valve to the washer cabinet. Use a screwdriver if needed. Position the replacement inlet valve and secure it with the screws or clips you removed earlier. Ensure it aligns properly with the hose connections. Attach the hot and cold water hoses back to the new inlet valve, ensuring they are securely tightened to prevent leaks. Finally, restore electrical power by plugging in the washer or turning on the circuit breaker. Run a test cycle to verify the valve functions properly. In areas with hard water, mineral deposits accumulate in the inlet valve and hoses, leading to clogs that cause LF errors. To address this, install a whole house water softener to reduce minerals in your water supply. Use a descaling solution specifically for washing machines to dissolve existing buildup. Regular descaling maintenance helps prevent future LF errors. If you've checked water pressure, inspected inlet hoses, cleaned the inlet screens, tested the inlet valve, and even replaced it if necessary, yet the LF error code still appears on your Maytag washer, it's time to call a qualified appliance repair technician. The problem may now involve more complex internal components that require professional diagnosis and repair. Common issues at this stage include control board malfunctions, wiring problems, faulty pressure switches, or other electronic failures. These components, like the control board and inlet valve assembly shown here, need specialized tools and expertise to diagnose properly. Attempting further repairs without the right knowledge can cause more damage or void your warranty. A certified technician can use diagnostic tools to identify the exact cause and perform safe repairs. This ensures your washer is fixed correctly and prevents future issues.